This is the second of our brief introductory videos to get you prepared for the class. Now remember, the class consists of 5 modules that you'll be working through this semester. And one of the ways that I want to introduce geography to you, and in fact kind of the way the class is running, is through the idea of a concept map. So if you notice at the bottom here is a link to what I call my concept map of world regional geography. And it's something that will help you see where the class is going. So if you click on that, what you'll notice is that this will bring us to a secondary web page that's called a Coggle map or a concept map. And what I want to do here, and a couple of tools that we'll see some of these as we move through the semester, is if you notice that if I click on the map with my right mouse button, I can zoom in or out on it, and I want to kind of look at geography and world regional geography in this way. This is what we call, again, a mental map or a concept map. And over here you're going to see all of the themes of geography, and then on this side you're going to see world regional geography broken into its regions. So right now I just want to take a moment and kind of zoom in on this area here. Again, so we're going to right mouse click, and then we're going to zoom in a bit. And so what you're going to see in the next couple of lectures is a discussion of each of these branches. So you'll notice that here is the branch that talks about geography as a discipline, and we will see it as the geographer's toolbox, that is the map, and then remote sensing, cartography, GIS, and then what geographers really do, what's, where's, and why's, and then the methodologies, in other words, the subdisciplines that fall into the physical and human realm, and then this broad, if you will, of 5 themes of geography. And so we can kind of see that as a discipline. Then if we follow this kind of teal branch, we see the concept of region. And when we talk about concepts of regions, what we see here is that we have the hierarchy of regions from global to local. We have regional space, that is core, periphery, and transition zones. And then we have kind of how we divide space. What are some of the ways that we're going to look at it in the class? And that has to do with political landscapes, populations, languages, ethnic groups, economy, religion, food, and then physical characteristics. So these are, in a sense, how we might look for regional boundaries or regional coalescence. Then up here, the last point I want to make in this map, this concept map, is that globalization is somehow all of this is connected. So this is what I mean by concept maps, and you'll be seeing these as you move through the semester in kind of broken out. I will often start a lecture with one of the branches from this concept map. If you're interested in where this came from, this is at the webpage coggle.it, which is a free version of this that you can use to construct your own kind of notes in doing this. So that's number 2 in terms of our tools for the class.